Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all guys are fine and doing good today. I'm Mian from Punjab, Pakistan. Today I come with new reaction video. This video is so much amazing and I'm damn sure this video you like more than other videos. In this video I will show you luxury train in Indonesia. Indonesia luxury train, it's so amazing, so beautiful. You guys enjoy this video very much, so keep watch my video till end. After watching this video I will show you my opinion on luxury train of Indonesia and also describe the video. So guys, without wasting time, it's time to play the video, so let's play the video.
Today we get the train back to Jakarta. I'm just here waiting for the car to arrive, but I'm afraid it's going to be a close call. I'm still waiting for Gordon. Gordon, it's your fault. I've been waiting for Gordon for 15 minutes. He's still packing. Gordon only packs in the very last minute, right?
No, the last 30 seconds.
30 seconds!
Morning of a travel day.
There goes the train.
Basically she is a travel vlogger. Very amazing videos. Yogyakarta to Jakarta ये ट्रेन जा रही है जी.
Time to walk the entire station until you get here. Now it's empty like this because everybody already got in. I'm the last one. Then you rush.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Gordon, which one?
Right here.
My seat here. Really nice train. Wow.
No doubt, train is so much beautiful.
Sorry, our arrival was a little rushed. I didn't have the time to explain you a few things. I'm still sweating. We were a little late booking our tickets. Everything was fully booked, so I'm here right in the front of the train. Gordon is all the way back there. Cannot even see him. Let's see if there are some empty seats available so that he can move a little closer. Look at how much space there is. So I think I can leave my bag there. We all got our own monitors, like in an airplane.
Wow, what a nice view.
I got new friends. We've been talking like we've been talking to each other for years.
He gets two new friends.
Ciao. Wow, even like this, I still have all the space. Now we're talking. This is the maximum that the seat goes down. It doesn't lie down flat like a bed, but it is already really comfortable. This is about a 45-degree angle. Two power outlets right here, only for me. I could hang a jacket here. This other plastic bag would be for garbage, and the bathroom is right up front through this door. There's one bathroom.
Very neat and clean.
Clean and spacious. I knew you'd get one.
Black coffee.
Free coffee and tea here, and also give you a bottle of water. I didn't get anything because the water is already fine for me.
It's a small bunklet. Okay, wow. What a smooth journey.
Let's see how this monitor works. Your internet. It's connecting, but kind of slow. Go back. Let's see. The map. Ah, that's cool. Shows you where you
Map
are.
show where the train.
Let's see the films. It is in English here, but I can't watch because look at where the TV is, the monitor is. And this is where you plug the headset. Not on your seat. At least here in this first row, you can't watch TV. There are many different classes you can choose. This is the executive, the luxury, because you have single seats like this. You don't find this in every line. Some trains, the best you can buy is executive, which is already really good. Like the car just behind us, 2 and 2, very comfortable. In many routes, you don't even find single seats like this. This is the only car like this in the entire train. We also had a train from Surabaya to Yogyakarta, but there we chose business. And business in an Indonesian train is not like flying business class. Nothing fancy. We could put our luggage behind the last seats. They sold coffee and tea. There were bar outlets, but the seats didn't recline. Still, they were very spacious, and there was air conditioning.
Oh, it's time to eat some food.
Lettuce, tomato, and pickle. There's something here that I don't know what it is. It looks like peanuts. This is sambal. It's probably the spice. Here in this package, I believe it's rice. Oh yeah, white rice. I thought it would be nasi goreng, the fried rice. But no, just white rice and shrimp crackers. It is good. It's very good. I was hoping for nasi goreng because the food
It's
is my
good.
favorite dish here, but this is good too. They're so good. You can't stay far from me, can you? Yeah, it's very good. It is.
Did you try the spice?
No, I know that this is really spicy. No, I kept mine here. Oh, you miss me so much that you come here. Oh, to just stay with me. Oh. Yes, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for the visit. Just coming to check me out.
Wow.
What about buying tickets? The easiest way for you to check fares and the schedule is via a website called ticket.com. Worth taking a look. In our first train ride, we couldn't buy online at all. The official website only accepts Indonesian credit cards. We tried other sources, but nothing worked. So to leave Surabaya, we ended up going to the train station and buying the machine right there.
Pricing. Number of seats. Okay. Select 2 adults.
Now for this trip, we were able to buy via Traveloka. It finally worked. Whether you buy it online or at the machine at the station or at a mini market like Indomaret, you still need to go to some other machines in the train station to print your final ticket. So prepare for that as well.
Okay.
His new friends.
It's little bit information about tickets purchased.
The air conditioning is super cold here. Come here. Nothing interesting about this room here. The rows are backwards. Every second. And the very first row should be row number 1, right? No, but I'm row number 9. It's 9, 8, 7, 6, all the way to 1. 1 is the very last. Halfway through the ride, and they just gave us orange juice.
Orange juice.
How was your right hand?
Okay.
Just okay, right? You miss me. Of course we do. Look at you. Okay. See you in the next station.
Jakarta.
7-hour ride so far, and I came here to check the bathroom again. It is clean. It's smelling good, just like when we left. It's doing a really good job.
Very neat and clean. That's good.
Look at the monument right here. So, final verdict? Was it worth it?
Yeah.
I think so. It's really
It's
nice.
worth
Very,
it,
very
definitely.
comfortable.
Super.
Definitely.
Super.
Super. We left on time and arrived on time, on schedule. I just hope there was Wi-Fi. There are different trains between Yogyakarta and Jakarta, and they take between 7 and 12 hours. So pay close attention when you're booking. This service costs between $60 and $75. That's what we paid. If you just compare ticket prices to ticket prices, it is more expensive than flying a low-cost carrier. But then they charge for luggage and per extra kilo. So we'd pay a small fortune with all this here. Plus, there's the extra transport costs as the airport is not located downtown like the train station. Now, we saw online that there's a 20-kilo luggage allowance per person in all classes, and that they could weigh the luggage before boarding. Fortunately, it didn't happen to us because we have way more than 20 kilos here if you add up our suitcases, backpacks, everything.
Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time just getting ready?
Hello?
Let me be honest. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself. 'Cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing.
It's time to check in hotel.
And playing and waiting around.
So guys, this is a video about a luxury train of Jakarta. Travel video is very beautiful. She is basically a vlogger, or she make different videos. Right now she is in Indonesia. She traveled from Yogyakarta to Jakarta. Luxury train is very beautiful. Seats are very comfortable, neat and clean washroom. Food is also very amazing. Buying ticket is very easy. Estimate cost is $60 to $70. That price is very reasonable for luxury train. No doubt train is very beautiful, and this video is also so much beautiful and amazing. I hope you all guys enjoy this video so much. You may share your opinion in comment box, and also like my video, plus subscribe my channel, and also press the bell for the notification of latest uploaded videos. Until next time, this is me, Mian, signing off. Khuda.